project is about equality, and I feel like we're trying to make it to spread awareness, because not a lot of people are as well educated on this type of stuff, and I think it's really important that people recognise it better.
Even if we all came from different parts of the world, we all end up being in the same place, in the same home in Wales.
We started off by recruiting an expert cohort of creative practitioners from culturally and ethnically diverse backgrounds. We then recruited a series of schools, and then we put the creative practitioners in the schools into dialogue with each other. That was really exciting. And so then what the creative practitioner and the class teacher and the learners did is then devise a creative learning project to explore the themes of Cynefin, Black, Asian and minority ethnic Wales.
We applied at Cynefin Primary because we are a hugely diverse school. Over 70% of our children have English as an additional language. The point of us applying for the project was to try and encourage the children through various art forms to explore their identity and their connection to Wales.
Some of the kids are from Somalia, Nigeria, Gambia, Algeria, Yemen, South Sudan, so it's really nice to see them talking comfortably about their cultures, and also us listening to them and understanding where they come from, be it their food, their backgrounds, their dancing, their music. And we're just exploring that together.
We really thought the school would benefit from being involved with this, because we're quite narrow in our diversity. We wanted the children to have the opportunity to really celebrate the fact that Wales and beyond is very diverse, and everyone needs to feel included, that we might be different, but we can all be part of one community.
Mi roedd pob prosiect yn unigryw ac yn berthnasol I gyd-destun yr ysgolion, y disgyblion a lleoliad yr ysgolion o hefyd. Mi roedden ni yn rhoi cyfraniad bach o arian I bob ysgol, felly os oedden nhw isio gwahodd unrhyw siaradwyr gwadd I mewn, unrhyw ymarferwyr creadigol, ychwanegol I mewn, neu unrhyw aelodau'r cymdeithas I fewn I siarad ac I helpu nhw o fewn y broses.
I think being creative is one of the best ways to explore these sort of issues, because you really get the chance when you're being creative to put yourself into somebody else's shoes. You get a chance to empathise, and you get a chance as well to have the freedom to challenge ideas and express yourself in whatever way feels comfortable.
It's not just about accepting, it's about honouring and respecting, and I think for me that's what Cynefin is about. It's easy to say the words. I love diversity. I hear people say this a lot, like, we really want diversity, we love it, we want it, inclusion, and they just become meaningless words when it's not backed up with the choice to change these spaces and make them actually accepting for people, warm and welcoming for people, honouring and respectful for people.
The project has made me think a lot more about different things and things that have been said around me, and a lot more has stood out ever since I've learned the stuff in the project. And I've realised how some people actually say stuff and do stuff racist or just really offensive quite a lot that I never realised before.
Pryd dwi'n gwrando llais y disgyblion, mae llais nhw yn deallus ac yn werus hefyd. Rhywbeth, privilege I fi I gweithio ar y project.
I can see confidence in some of the kids from the first lessons I came to, the second lessons, and you can see now they run up to me, oh Arnold, I got this move, want to do this, want to do that. That's the excitement and the confidence. That's what I want to bring out of the kids, that there's no limit to their success. Doesn't matter where you're from, you can reach the skies. And just like a snowball, it will just keep on rolling and getting bigger and bigger and bigger.